Cron 4s, Your Mind, Body, and Family with Dr. Mark Steinberg.
It's time once again for our weekly segment on how to maintain good mental health. And joining us today is Dr. Mark Steinberg, who specializes in clinical, educational, and neuropsychology. He's also author of this book, ADD, the 20-Hour Solution. Welcome back to the program, Dr. Steinberg.
Thanks, Vicki.
You also brought some guests with you.
Yes, this is Teresa and Dan Fernandez, parents of my 11-year-old patient, Daniel, whom we treated with EEG neurofeedback for his attention and anxiety and sleeping problems.
So, Teresa, what did you first start noticing in Daniel and what concerned you?
My son was having difficulties going to sleep. He was showing anxiety at school. He was not accomplishing his homework. And our relationship between mom and son was actually affecting all of these issues.
Yeah. And so Dan, when you sought a course of treatment, what were you looking for?
Well, once we found out that he had ADD, it seems like every turn we made, it all led to drugs was the only solution for him. And so we started to do our own investigation and found biofeedback, neurofeedback, and decided that was something that we would like to explore more.
Okay. Well, Dr. Steinberg, how did you treat Daniel?
I treated Daniel with brainwave training called EEG neurofeedback. We hooked him up to some computers via wires that go to his head. No pain, he didn't feel anything, nothing goes in, monitors the signal coming out, and he played these video games for a half hour at a time. No nagging, no talking, no counseling, and he got better within a short period of time, and the parents can tell you about how he got better.
Yeah, so, and no drugs.
No drugs.
Add that as well. So what kind of changes did you start seeing in Daniel?
Our son was more happier. He was confident, he was communicating with me, and he was getting his homework done.
That
among many other positive things.
Yeah, very inspiring to a parent. So, Dr. Steinberg, what would you tell other parents who are facing this challenge?
Well, you know, Vicki, every family is unique. I treat thousands of families. My colleagues and I have done over 5 million of these neurofeedback sessions. But every parent wants to feel like he or she makes a difference in his child's life. They don't want to nag. They want to restore family harmony. And this is the real gift to the family, as well as launching the child to independence and ability to succeed.
Okay, well, that's really good stuff. Thank you. To find out more information about Dr. Mark Steinberg, you can call his office at 408-356-1002. You can also visit his website at marksteinberg.com. Thank you very much, Teresa and Dan Fernandez.
Thank you.
Your son Daniel, well on his way, and Dr. Mark Steinberg. Thanks.
Cron 4s, Your Mind, Body, and Family with Dr. Mark Steinberg.